Hi guys, welcome back to the Bomb Squad. So today we are gonna be doing some a toys haul. I don't know what I call a Bomb Squad because I do other than lip balms. So now I'm at my grandma's house in her garden, and that dog is from my neighbor. I don't know. Okay, so now before we get started, I've got a challenge for you. First thing, like this video, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss any videos now. Let's get started. So the first thing, I have the perfume. I know French, and it's Boom Boom. It's like candy. Okay, that was taken to the bottom. And it has a little flowers all over it and a green cap. So I'm gonna smell it to see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so good. I don't know, it doesn't have any flavor, but it smells good. Now, next thing is that I have a bubble that makes bubbles, machine bubble. I don't know what that's called. So it's called Funny Bubbles, and it's from Spider-Man because they didn't have any LOL ones. So there's a little ball that you do a game with it. So let's open it up. So here it is. Hey! She's not doing any bubbles. Here we go. So now I'm going to be splitting up the... Okay, whatever. So then I've got an LOL ball, and it's a relaxing ball. Oh yeah, it's Queen Bee. It says, "Let me out of here." Why does she say this? She's not even in a ball. Oh, that's so relaxing. I can do this all day long. Okay, now. Then I've got a Coloring Kids tattoo for hand. So it's tattoo gel pens. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh, and before, here are a lot of things that you can make. Ooh, cool. There's some images. I love this already. Okay. So here's a picture about a girl that has every tattoo. So the colors are dark green, dark blue, orange, silver, and dark purple. I'm going to be checking out every one of these. So that one. Okay, not a lot of tint. And then there's the orange one. So that pops out. And then the silver. Ooh, that's glitter silver. I love it. And then the blue one. Okay. It seems that the silver and the blue one has glitter in it. And the purple has glitter. So here are all of them. And I'm gonna see what are these. Ooh, they're so cute. So I think we put one, and then we do this. I don't know what's that for, but I don't know. I'm just gonna stick it to my hand. Okay, whatever. Now, then I need to take all that plasticky things out. So, here's a doll. And it's Sweet Girl 3 Plus. And you know that my birthday is in 3 September? Please. And I'm gonna have 8 in September. I always need to do this. Okay, whatever you're called. I'm gonna snip you out. Here we go. I need to destroy the packaging. Sorry, but that's taking too long. Here we go. Here's that thing that I don't want to take. So, ooh, there's a box. I want to reach it. Don't even think about it. Oh, she's so cool. So, she has brown and pink hair. She's got a little swirly thingy. What? She's missing some hair. And then she's got an eyeshadow with hot pink lipstick. And I'm gonna show you these earrings. She's got a dress made of sequins. And she's got high heels. And it has a little flower on it. So, I'm gonna let her talk. Oh, I need to find the store that has a juice. Okay, so you hear her now. The big one is gonna be a juice store. So I love this. I'm gonna be opening it now, and I don't know what I'm gonna say now. Okay. I don't even care if I don't cut it right. Okay, so oh, I'm so sorry. I need to destroy the packaging. Here we go. Okay, I need to cut everything out, I guess. So here she is. Oh, where's her shoe? Oh, it fell down. It doesn't want to fit in here. So here are her shoes. And now she's got long brown hair. And she's got violet eyeshadow with some pink lips. And, oh, she needs her earrings here. She has these. Oh, okay. So, and she's got blue bracelets. And she's got a juice on her t-shirt. She's got, oh, and they get off, but I don't want to take them off now. And she's got a short, and her shoes. I'm sweating now. Now it's summer. And here are her shoes. Why did they give her this? They need to flatter her foot. And she's got laces with stars everywhere. Now, let's look at that. Bloop. Okay, it just fell down. Good. More and more and more scotchy. Here we go. Bye-bye. So it's not Barbie, and it's, what is it called? Aryali. I don't know what's Aryali. Okay, I need to cut this. Here we go. You hear something? Nope. Here we go. So here's her trunk. She can roll it every day long. Let me see, does that? Nope. So I'm going to be showing you the things. So she's got that, an umbrella. Maybe? No. And that can open up, and she could put 2 things in it if she wants to. And here she's got a blender or a mixer, and there's the buttons, and she has strawberry juice. Look, it's so cool. They can hold it right here. And she's got a juice, and it's orange, and it's purple. And I love when they give them a straw. And here's strawberry. I don't know, why do they have 2 strawberry? And there's 3 more. I don't know. Now, we're gonna get for the, I don't know, for the doll, what she's gonna, so it's gonna be perfect for the doll to drink from. Who wants some juice? I've got fresh juice. Ooh, did I hear something that's fresh juice? Ooh, hello. Yeah, hello. So, here is the juice place. Yeah, of course. Oh, so what do you have like juice? I've got some orange juice. I've got strawberry juice. What do you want? I think I'm gonna take, the orange juice. Okay. Here's your orange juice. Thank you. You're welcome. How does it pay? It's for free. Okay. Oh. Ooh, it dropped off. Do you have another one? Yeah, of course. Got this. Yeah, I've got another one. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye. So guys, if you enjoyed that video, say down below. Comment down below. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, bye.